Let us now do some practice questions for recursion. Please take a closer look at this program and try to guess the output. The programs are same, it is just that it is written in C++ and this one is written in Java. The output of this program is 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Let's see how do we get this output. This program begins its execution from main function like any other program, and when you call the main function it calls fun3, and when you call fun3 execution begins from the first line of fun3, right? And it's not 0, you're calling with a value 3, so it comes here and it prints 3 on the screen, so you get the first 3 here. And after printing 3 it calls fun2, so the control comes here. Please note that fun3 is not finished yet. It has just called fun2 and waiting for fun2 to finish. So when fun2 is called, fun2 begins its execution from this line again, and what it does, it prints 2 on the screen because this condition is not true. It comes here and prints 2. Then it calls fun1, and fun1 first thing it does prints 1 on the screen, then calls fun0. When fun0 is called, it also begins its execution from here. And this time n is 0. So fun0 does not do much. It simply returns from the call, right? It returns from the call at this point only. So fun0 has finished its execution. Now fun1 gets the control back, right? Fun1 was waiting for fun0 to finish. So when fun1 gets the control back, fun1 is going to execute this line, right? Fun1 must have called fun0 here. Now fun0 is finished, so it will come here and print 1 on the screen. And this is the last line that fun1 has to do. So fun1 also finishes its execution by doing these 3 things: printing 1, calling fun0, and then printing 1 again. So fun1 finishes its execution, and once fun1 finishes its execution, the control goes back to fun2. And once fun2 gets the control back, fun2 was waiting for fun1 to finish here. So fun2 resumes its execution from the next line, and the next line is print n. So it prints 2 on the screen. After fun2 has printed 2, it says finished, right? This was the last line. So fun2 gives the control back to fun3, and fun3 was again waiting at this point for fun2 to finish. So fun3 resumes its execution from this line and it prints 3 here. So you get the output as 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3 on the screen. Here is second exercise for you. Please take a closer look at this program. If you are a C++ programmer, you need to take a look at this program. If you are a Java programmer, you need to take a look at this program. Please try to guess the output of this program. The output of this program is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1. Let's see how do we get this output. We begin our execution from main. Main calls fun3. Fun3, when it begins its execution, it checks if n is 0 or not. N is not 0, so it calls fun2. Fun2, when it begins its execution, it also checks if n is 0 or not. N is not 0, so it comes here and calls fun1. Fun1 again begins its execution from here and checks if n is 0 or not. N is not 0, so it comes here. When fun0 is called, fun0 begins its execution from the same point, and fun0 goes inside this if condition because n is 0 this time. And what it does, it immediately returns, does not make any more recursive calls, and that's where our recursion terminates. That's the purpose of this base case. After fun0 has finished, fun1, which had called fun0, resumes its execution. And which line it's going to execute? It's going to print n. And what is n for fun1? It's 1, so it's going to print 1 on the screen. After printing 1 on the screen, it's going to make one more call to fun0. And when fun0 is called, fun0 again goes here and sees n equal to 0 and returns. So this fun1 has finished its execution. It has called fun0, then printed n, then called fun0 again. So fun1 leaves the execution, and once fun1 leaves the execution, the control comes back to fun2. Fun2 resumes its execution after this line because this is where it had stopped. It was waiting for fun1 to finish. So what it does, it prints 2 on the screen. It prints the value of n, and then it again calls fun1. And fun1 again executes the same way as it was executing earlier, right? It's the same function with same parameters. So execution flow is going to be same for this and this. So it again does execute the same way and prints 1 on the screen. Now this fun2 has called fun1, printed 2, and again has called fun1. So fun2 has finished after this line. So once fun2 finishes, this call to fun2 finishes, fun3 resumes its execution, and fun3 was waiting for fun2 to finish. So fun3 resumes from this point and it prints 3 on the screen. Now it makes one more call to fun2. And when it makes one more call to fun2, this whole execution tree is going to be copy pasted here, right? So you will get fun1, then 3 calls here, 3 things here, fun0 call, and then 1, and then fun0. And then 2 on the screen, then fun1, and then again fun0, 1 and 0. And what will it print? It will print the same thing as this function printed. This function printed 1, 2, 1. So we get 1, 2, 1 on the screen as a first thing because of this call. Then we get 3 on the screen because of this cout statement or system.out.println statement. After 3 is printed, one more call to fun2 is here, and this call is going to print what this printed. So we get 1, 2, 1 again, right? So we get 1, 2, 1, 3, and then 1, 2, 1 again in this call.